Hey guys, this is a new tutorial. So this tutorial is a bathroom tutorial. So like what you can do in a bathroom. Well, if you locked out your bathroom, these are the things that you can do. So you could use the toilet. Yeah. You could wash your hands. Yeah, you could use all this stuff. You could use this perfume. Yeah, and there's a bath. So if you're locked in your bathroom, then just wait until, or just bang the, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.